Imagine a dense jungle where danger is waiting for you at every step. Crossing this jungle could take you almost 2 days. But on this journey, you may also come face to face with dangerous animals that don't care whether you are small or big. They have only one goal: to kill you and fill their stomach. In fact, this is the world's most mysterious and vast jungle, the Amazon Rainforest. Spread across nearly 5.5 million square kilometers, this forest is so vast that around 7 countries the size of Pakistan, 2 countries the size of India, and hundreds of small places the size of Dubai could easily fit inside it. Earth plants. This vast Amazon rainforest is spread across a total of 8 countries, with the largest portion located in Brazil. But its forests also stretch into Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, Guyana, Venezuela, and Ecuador. Another surprising fact is that nearly 20% of the oxygen needed by living things around the world comes from the Amazon rainforest. Filled with nearly 400 billion trees, this region is completely under nature's control, where everything runs on its own. In today's video, you'll discover some shocking truths about the Amazon rainforest that you may have never heard before. So, welcome everyone to another interesting video. If you're visiting our channel for the first time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, if the entire area of the Amazon rainforest were measured around its perimeter, its length would be more than 2,000 kilometers. That means this distance is roughly similar to the distance between Mumbai and Delhi, or like traveling multiple times between Karachi and Islamabad. It is called the Amazon rainforest because it receives rainfall almost throughout the entire year. There's hardly a week that passes without rain here. You can imagine how dense this forest is from the fact that when it rains here, it can take nearly 10 minutes for the water to pass through the thick layers of trees before reaching the ground. Not only that, because of the dense canopy of trees, in many places it feels like night even during the daytime, as sunlight can't fully reach the ground. That's why the climate and environment here are so unique that thousands of species of animals, birds, and plants are found here that exist nowhere else in the world. And that's exactly what makes the Amazon rainforest the most mysterious and dangerous jungle in the world. The Amazon rainforest is not just massive, it also holds an incredible world of wildlife within it. So far, more than 400,000 species of plants have been discovered here. In addition, there are around 1,300 different species of rare birds. More than 2,200 species of fish, around 272 species of mammals, and over 380 strange-looking animal species can also be found in this jungle. If we talk about tiny insects, scientists say that more than 2.5 million different kinds of insects have been observed so far in the Amazon rainforest. Many of them are extremely poisonous as well. From the outside, this jungle may look beautiful and peaceful, but from the inside, it is just as dangerous and mysterious. Here, it's almost impossible to predict when or where something might happen. If a person accidentally ends up in this dense jungle, one of the first dangerous creatures they might encounter is the green anaconda. It is considered one of the largest snakes in the world. Its length can reach around 30 feet, and its weight can go up to about 250 kilograms. The most dangerous thing about this snake is that it can wrap around its prey and swallow it alive, even if the animal is bigger than its own size. In the Amazon rainforest, thousands of species of dangerous snakes can be found. But the danger doesn't come only from large animals. Even the small creatures here can be just as deadly. You must have felt the pain of an ant bite at some point. Even though it's so tiny, its bite can still be quite painful. But in the Amazon rainforest, there is a special type of ant known as the bullet ant. It is considered one of the most painful stinging ants in the world, and it can grow up to about 4 centimeters in length. If it bites a human, the pain can be so intense that many people have compared it to the pain of being shot by a bullet. That's why it's called the bullet ant, because its sting feels like being hit by a bullet. Not only that, flowing through thousands of kilometers of this jungle is one of the largest rivers in the world, the Amazon River. It is considered the second longest river in the world by length, and when it comes to water flow, it is actually the largest river in the world, the Amazon River. The total length of the Amazon River is about 6,840 kilometers. Most of the heavy rainfall that occurs in the Amazon rainforest eventually flows and collects into this river, and eventually flows into the ocean. This river, which can reach depths of about 329 feet, is also home to thousands of dangerous creatures. Many fierce crocodiles and other predators live here in large numbers. In the Amazon River, more than 200,000 cubic meters of water flow every second. You can imagine its power from the fact that it carries more water into the ocean than many of the world's major water sources combined. That's why both the Amazon rainforest and the Amazon River are considered among the most mysterious and dangerous natural places in the world. Deep inside the dense Amazon rainforest, human activity is very limited, and that may be why many mysterious creatures are still able to live there safely, even today. One of them is the pink river dolphin, which is also known as the Amazon river dolphin. This dolphin can grow up to about 9 feet long and weigh around 200 kilograms, and it is considered much faster and more intelligent than many other dolphins. Scientists believe that its brain is larger than of many other dolphins, which gives it a greater ability to think and understand. While dolphins are generally known for their friendly behavior towards humans, the pink river dolphin is a bit different. In some cases, it can even attack humans. Not only that, another extremely dangerous creature lives in the Amazon River, the electric eel. For the past 250 years, scientists and researchers have been studying this unique fish. In fact, the electric eel is a fish that can generate a strong electric shock to defend itself and catch its prey. According to records so far, it can generate an electric current of up to about 860 volts. There have been several cases in the Amazon River where the electric eel delivered such a powerful shock to humans that it caused instant death. Not only that, this fish doesn't hesitate to attack animals up to 100 times its size. Anything that comes in its way, it can stun or kill instantly with its powerful electric shocks. According to scientists, an 860-volt electric current can instantly affect the nervous system of any creature, causing its body to shut down immediately. That's why the Amazon River is considered one of the most dangerous and mysterious rivers in the world. Waterways warning sign, where at every turn some unique and dangerous creature could be lurking. One truly astonishing story connected to the Amazon River is about a marathon swimmer named Martin Strel. He is the person who set the record for swimming across the Amazon River, one of the most dangerous rivers in the world. Just imagine the same river teeming with thousands of giant alligators, electric eels, and anacondas. Swimming across it must have been incredibly difficult and dangerous. But in 2007, Martin Strel accomplished this seemingly impossible feat. Swimming continuously for about 66 days, he completed the long journey across the Amazon River and set a new world record. Swimmer, wave, and trophy. Martin swam in the river for about 10 hours every day, spending the rest of the time resting so he could continue the dangerous journey again the next day. Martin himself said that during this journey, the biggest danger came from animals living in the river, such as anacondas, wild alligators, and electric eels. To stay safe from these dangers, his team always accompanied him in a boat. His team would throw pieces of meat along both riverbanks to distract dangerous crocodiles and other predators, allowing Martin to swim safely. There's another extremely mysterious place in the Amazon rainforest, a river where the water is always boiling. This strange river, about 65 kilometers long, is located in the part of the Amazon rainforest that falls within Peru. The water temperature here can reach around 90 to 100 degrees Celsius. The water is so hot that anything can easily cook in it. The most surprising thing is that this river boils continuously all year round, yet scientists still haven't fully understood the real reason behind it. Even today, many tribal communities live in the dense Amazon rainforest. They survive by hunting the forest's animals and relying on its resources for their daily lives. Some of these tribes have never even seen the outside modern world to this day. If an outsider happens to come across them, they often react in astonishment, as if they are seeing a person from a completely different world for the first time. In satellite images, strange large markings can be seen on the ground in many parts of the Amazon rainforest. These are called geoglyphs. Some of these markings span up to about 1.5 kilometers, and so far, more than 300 geoglyphs have been discovered in the Amazon rainforest. But the biggest question still remains: who created these massive markings, and for what purpose? If you want a separate, detailed video on these mysterious geoglyphs, make sure to type Part 2 in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. That's all for now. See you soon with another interesting and mysterious video.